out here in Jamaica, just chilling. There, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna turn up tonight, right? Hugo not gonna turn down for maybe a couple of days later. That's how turned up we gonna be tonight. So we're gonna be chilling. We're gonna drink on some rum, and we're gonna probably go smoke. We're gonna go celebrate over here at Hope Gardens. Peace.
Our first stop in Kingston, the Hope Botanical Gardens, also known as Hope Gardens. It was established in 1655 as the estate of Major Richard Hope, located on Old Hope Road. The beautiful exotic collection of plants and flowers hosts the national tree of Jamaica, the blue maho, also known as the hibiscus elatus. The tree is rose-colored in the morning and it transforms to orange and deep red as the day advances. We were also celebrating Cataleya's first birthday. This is her first time out of the country, and she is loving it. The environment was so serene. I felt alive when we were in Jamaica, stress-free. Whoop, whoop. I feel like here at the Hope Gardens, there is a light at the end of the tunnel.
DJ me on the ones and two. You like to say anything for the camera, mama? Cataleya?
Cataleya.
I love Jamaica.
Well, she's probably sleepy.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we're not going down that way, right?
What? Yo,
I told you.
she got happy. She's
In the month of June, it gets hot in Jamaica, so definitely bring water. We stopped at the Tea House, a hidden cuisine located in the Hope Royal Gardens. The atmosphere was amazing. We hydrated ourselves with fresh fruit juices and we grabbed something to eat. Hugo was so happy we took a break from the sun.
Hey, mama.
Next, we journeyed to the Devon house, the previous mansion of Jamaica's first black millionaire, George Stiebel. It was Jamaica's most celebrated historic landmark. Stiebel and other wealthy Jamaicans constructed Millionaire Corner between Trafalgar Road and Hope Road.
This is a Cinema Beats production.
Devon House was declared a national monument in 1990. It is now a place for fun, adventure for the entire family. We almost couldn't film at the Devon House because Caribbean Next Top Model was also filming that day. However, we planned ahead and reserved it ahead of time.
Cinema.
Devon House ice cream was the best ice cream I had in my life. I had rum raisin and Cataleya had mango. The line was definitely worth the wait. The Bob Marley Museum was my favorite part of the
Here with my babe at the Bob Marley Museum. How you doing it, my love?
Like it. We haven't gone on the tour yet, but these are all the Marley sons. Bob Marley right here. This one is Ziggy Marley. This one is Stephen, Rohan, Julian, Imani, Damien. He's one of my favorites also, and Robbie. And these are the Marley brothers here. They're nice paintings, by the way. Very nice paintings. We had the chance to meet a friend of Bob Marley's, Bongo Herman. Thank you for watching. One love from the #1 itinerary. Like and subscribe.